You want to find your previous orders, missing bills, or your favorite order. Well, you came to the right place. Go ahead and open the McDonald's app. On the bottom here, you have 5 different icons: home, order, rewards and deals, earn points, and more. Click on that. Then click on recent and faves. Now, for whatever your previous order was through, select that. Now you can see your recent orders and your favorites at the same time. And that's how to find your missing McDonald's receipt. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.